Talk to Angie channel. Today on my channel I'll be cooking chicken stir fry and rice. Come with me while we cook together. Right here I've got my chicken ready. My chicken has been washed and I've cut it into chunks ready to fry. I've also got my corn flour ready, which I'm going to be mixing into the chicken. I've got my paprika ready. I've got my Chinese spice ready. I've got my curry. I've got my thyme ready. I've also got my black pepper ready, which I'll be adding to the chicken. I've got my onion powder ready, my garlic powder and salt to taste. Right here I've got my pot ready, which I'll be using for the stir fry, and at the back I've got my rice ready, which I'll be cooking later on. Over here I've got my bowl and my whisk, which I'll be using to mix the sauce I'll be adding to the stir fry. I've got my light soy sauce ready, my Chinese cooking wine ready. I've also got my dark soy sauce ready, my salt to taste, my jumbo seasoning, my sweet chili and ketchup ready. I am going to mix all these ingredients together to create the sauce which I'll be adding to the stir fry. I've also got my bell pepper ready. You can see the beautiful colors, yellow, red and green bell pepper. I've cut them in chunks and ready to fry. I've got my ginger ready, my garlic ready. I've also got my scotch bonnet ready, which I've already chopped, and I've also got my oil ready, which I'll be using to fry all my ingredients. I've also got my spring onion and my chopped onion ready. Right, come with me guys, let's go straight into cooking. I try as much as possible to show you guys all the ingredients I'm using, and the reason I do that is because I want to make sure I'm not hiding anything from my followers and my friends. Please, if you have not followed this page, subscribe to this channel just to make me happy. Thank you. I'm going to start by adding my Chinese 5 spice into the chicken. I will also add black pepper into the chicken. I will also add garlic into the chicken. I will add salt. I will also add curry and thyme, and then I will add paprika and jumbo seasoning. I will also add my corn flour into the chicken and then mix together. Ensure you mix it properly. Afterwards, I'm going to cover it with cling film and I'll leave it in the fridge to marinate for 1 hour before frying. As you can see guys, my rice is cooking already. So I'm going to mix the sauce which I'll be using in my stir fry chicken. I've got corn flour and paprika ready in a bowl. I'm now going to add my dark soy sauce into the bowl. I will add light soy sauce, my Chinese cooking wine. I will add ketchup, sweet chili and my jumbo seasoning. I will then mix it. Ensure you mix it properly. When you finish mixing it, you leave it aside and then start frying. So come with me guys, we're going to start frying now. I am only going to add the sauce when I've fried my vegetables a little bit. In goes my oil. I will allow it to heat up a little bit. I'm going to allow the oil to heat up for 2 minutes. While the oil is eating, wow, my rice is ready to serve. I'm now going to add the chicken into the hot oil. Please, when you add it, ensure you keep stirring because you don't want it to get burnt. Remember, we added corn flour to the chicken. So ensure you keep stirring until your chicken is golden brown. As you can see, chicken is well fried and golden brown. I'm going to start now by adding my chopped onion into the hot oil. In goes the chopped onion. Stir. Allow to fry for a minute or two. Then add my ginger. I will also add my garlic. Stir. And then add scotch bonnet. Allow to fry. Afterwards, I will then add my bell pepper to fry. Stir. Allow to fry for at least 3 minutes. Wow, look at that beautiful color. This is really nice. Now I'm going to add spring onion and also allow to fry. And then add our chicken breast into the sweet peppers. Look at that. Isn't that looking inviting already? Now it is time for us to add our magic sauce, which is the signature of this dish. In goes the sauce. Wow, look at that. Good food is good. If you know you don't enjoy good food, there is no need you watching my video. My video is for people who enjoy good food. Guys, please stay, don't go. At least you can learn from people like us. Let's continue with our cooking, guys. Isn't that color inviting? Isn't that beautiful? Honestly, I love after a hard day work, you relax and enjoy a good meal. This is a very healthy option for those of you who love healthy meal. Wow, as you can see, our meal is ready. I am going to serve the meal now. Is somebody hungry? Are you ready? Come with me, let's go and eat. I'm going to plate the food right now. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also press the notification button. If you have been watching and you have not subscribed, repent now. Anyway, let's go and eat. Food is ready. Wow, food have been served. Guys, what do you think? Isn't that inviting? Please go to the comment section. Let me know what you think about this yummy food. Guys, I'll be digging into this food off camera. Please don't envy me. Just follow the tutorial and cook your own. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you all, and please remember to share my video and also subscribe. God bless you all. Bye bye. Ciao.